Live. It should be moved here. All right. So, it's been a long time since I streamed. So here you go. And let's see. Let's see. We do want to share this post first, but for now, let's open a browser. Then probably another one, give it to the other side. So we have here the stream, and then let's see. Let's wait for a while. How do you check for the sound for the audio? Okay, it does work. So I'm gonna share this, share to Facebook. I don't know what to do, so let's just share this. I'll probably share this to, let's see, uh, I don't know. Let's share this to, let's share this once again to a Facebook group. Yeah, so it does work. All right, so let's see. What do I want to do? Oh, yeah, so first, I'm aiming to contribute to an open source. So probably not my open source projects for now, but I saw this really amazing Android app called Ivy Wallet. So here it is. So the issue is, how can I show it? So let's open our Android emulator and see if there's anything. If there's anything, where is that? Okay, so it does show. Where's the emulator? Here it is. Oh yeah, it's not yet. Okay, there you go. So, to demonstrate how cool and awesome, like I'm I've been using a lot of Android apps. So I've been always checking the top 10 for the month and something like that. So and with that, I have my fair share of experiencing terrible Android apps. So there's been a few that I really like recently. Not only when it comes to the visual appearances, but by the performance, the responsiveness of the app, and the things that it lets you do correctly, or the things you want. So there's this how will I, so here it is. And we got hit by we got hit by the ad. Okay, so stop with the ads, please. So how do we close? There you go. So as you can see, I've only been using this emulator for Android testing of my games. So let's check the release. I believe there's an APK here. I do hope there's an APK here. So there's none. What? Oh, this is the source code. This is not the APK. So let's just see IV wallet APK. Okay, let's just see if we get, okay, so there's one in APK combo. So let's download the APK. So is it already done? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, never mind. So let's open the emulator and let's hit this one. So let's see if we can. Nope, none of this. So where's that? Where's the download? I thought I already clicked the download. Okay, oh, there you go. Okay, so let's save that and let's wait for a while. I think that's good now. Okay, there you go. So what happened? Okay, there you go. So failed to install the app, switch to a higher. Oh wow. So I did nothing. So how do you do that? Windows. Let's see settings. Let's see if we can change the. So I got an Asus ROG. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so where's the. How do you update? I think it's something like memo, multi-memo. Let's try this one. Okay, there you go. So it's running. So let's close that. So let's shut that down. Now let's create another one. So new, and then we have a oops. Gotta stop with the wait a minute. Gotta stop with the notification. For some reason, Teams does not respect my settings. So how do you cancel? How do you stop that? Ha. Okay, so wait a minute. I don't know how to make that silent. For some reason, it's not it's not really intuitive. Okay, so settings, notifications, show notification action center, try to all accounts. Okay, so I believe we are already on the clear. Okay, so let's import and then Android 9. Okay, this is going to take a very long time. This is going to download the whole image. Anyway, let's proceed with that one. So while we're okay, it downloads fast. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, Okay, so while we are waiting for this, I think, hmm, yeah, let's just wait. This will not take a long time. Let's see how many views are we having right now. Okay, not much, but it's okay. Okay, so we downloaded the Android 9 version operating system. If I'm not mistaken, Android 9 is around, okay, so the Android 7 is around 2.72 gigabytes. So probably Android 9 will be around 4 gigabytes. The thing is with upgrading operating system with uh as operating systems improve. Now that word is obscure because they say in newer versions it improves, but just gets worse. Okay, so this is very anticlimactic. I did not expect Android 9 to be only 1.89 gigabyte. Anyway, let's proceed. I should have just screen shared my Android phone for this one, but okay, let's see. Where's my terminal? So here's my terminal. Okay, so while we're waiting, I'll proceed with cloning this project because that's what we're gonna do. So git clone, and then we clone this to Ivy Wallet. Then let's cd in that repository. So as you can see here, we have a lot of files. So let's clear that for now. And let's close this one. So here is the emulator version 9. So let's be positive that we can easily install the downloaded APK. And of course, it's going to log for, oh yeah, the ads, of course. I'll mute the desktop audio for now. I don't want you guys hearing the Shopee ads. Okay, so let's go to downloads and the Ivy wallet. So where's the close button on this one? I wish that this is my ad, but it's not. Okay, where's the close button? There you go. Close button. Close it. And here's the Ivy wallet. So let's open this so we can see how. Okay, so first of all, look at this. Look at this. This is a good design. This is a very, very good design. And the priority of the app is offline. Okay, so at startup, it does not require the user to be online or anything like that. So it's offline. Okay, so that's a plus for me. So let's click the offline account and it's like Obsidian. They are very transparent with the data. So you can import, you can easily start fresh. Okay, so here's the problem. Here's the problem that I want to contribute right now. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, I'm scrolling this and it's very responsive, right? So when is the last time you encountered this smooth scrolling in a React app? It's impossible. No React app scrolls smoothly like this. See? See? Even Windows fail to scroll like this. Even Windows fail to scroll smoothly like this. Okay. So let's search for our currency. Philippine. Okay, so here's the problem. I'm triggered by this. Philippine peso. Okay, so Philippine peso. Okay, so let's check if what's the Philippine uh Philippine currency. So let's see. Let's check. Let's verify that the official and national name for our currency is peso, right? Peso. And as you can see in the other websites, we have peso, 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 and so on. So that proves my point. So this one is very, very wrong. So peso. So let's anyway, let's proceed. So that's the problem we're going to contribute to them. A very minor detail, but nonetheless important for us. Okay, so you can add account easily here. You can cash and then you can skip the categories. So you can see the UI looks very good. Okay, so as you can see, it looks very responsive. It's very so where's the settings, right? So it's open source, then you can donate. So there's no ads or anything like that. So thumbs up to the developers for this one. So let's close this now because we don't want to waste RAM and energy for that. Okay, so here is the repository if you guys want to check, and uh here you can see the technology used for this one. Java. Anyway, so this is just a requirement because it uses the Android Studio for easy JetBrains toolbox. I don't know that. And then here, it's written in Kotlin. So Kotlin is a language that is a superset of Java. That means if you know Java, you can easily use Kotlin. So uh, Kotlin is like a 5 times improvement over Java. Can stop vomiting when I think of Java. So we have Jetpack Compose here as well. So Compose is, I believe, the official Android UI theme. Then we have coroutines, so it's and then Kotlin Flow, and then I don't know any of this. So and then okay, so it's written in Kotlin, so it's very cool. So you can see here the files. Let's see the Gradle. Let's see the Gradle file. Delete obsolete Gradle task. Okay, let's see the Gradle. So it has package JSON and Yarn. I think it's for the npm tools or the node tools. Okay, so there's a lot of folders here. So we have core. Okay, so let's see. And yeah, as I expected. Yep, as I've expected. And yeah, it uses Yarn and Danger. So not much. That is a good thing, not much. So what shall we do? First is we need to find where uh that string or that variable. So I've here the I've wallet. So let's grab for that one. So grep and then uh uh pizza. Let's let's try. Oh no, let's the I is wait. What is the inverse or what is the case insensitive search? I believe case insensitive search is ignore case. So this will be I. Okay, so grep I case insensitive, and then the pattern will be piso, and then I think that's it. So I think it's recursing. So R I R I R. Okay, so wait, doesn't result to anything. So let's try var. Okay, so we can see there's a lot of var. So we can search for bar, right? But if we check for peso, there's nothing. So there's no result. So there's no occurrence of peso in the source code or the code base. So that's weird. Let's try Philippine. There's nothing as well. Let's try PHP. Yeah, so we have PHP, but this is for the yard lock. So we don't want to match with the Git. So these are binary files. So these are images. So we don't want to search. Okay, so now let's exclude those. Okay, no. We don't need to exclude because we already got this. So why is that? Why is that there's nothing? Okay, let's try for searching for dollar. Okay, we see one USD. Okay, so we have a lot. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we get a lot of matches, but none of these things is what we're looking for. Okay, so there's this search. So this is the search, right? The search button that we got. So it's in an XML. Okay, as I expected. So we have base currency. Okay, so there's no currency for anything. Exchange rates, add rate model, probably. So payment screen. These are resources. These are resources for I don't know what's ESKNAR HI. I don't know these things. So let's see if we can. Oh, I think these are languages. Okay, these are languages. I don't know what's HIES. Probably is Espanol, I think. And then the strings is the regular. This one is the regular for English. So let's open that. Okay, so we can see no. These are elements. This is not what we're looking for. These are elements, right? So these are elements. So this, yeah. These are elements. So if we search for USD, you can see, but for PHP or peso, Philippine, there's nothing. So that is weird. That is weird. Okay, so let's search for currency. Probably currency will yield to more result. Yeah, so you can see we have a lot of results here. And we don't want to, we just want to skim this. Okay, so we have currency. So this is weird. Okay, so we're not getting any piece or Philippine match in the code base. That means that the values for the currency are not typed or are not hard coded with the app. And probably 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 it's they're sourcing it from another source or another site. Yeah, from another data. Okay, maybe it's in the database. Maybe it's no. If it's declared in the database as well, we would see that. We would see an occurrence for that. Okay, so I don't want to scar through all of this exchange. No, that's not what we're looking for. So not exchange rate logic. So let's see. Let's just scar through this. Hmm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. You see why I don't want to work in front end because of all of this stuff. All of this just to display a button on screen. Okay, budget battery, probably not. I'm guessing, I'm guessing that it's sourced, but it's offline. We run the app in offline mode. So how did, wait, was the emulator offline? Okay, so we're saying this base currency. We're saying this base currency is a transaction card. Now it would, you know what would be easier if we compile this, if we build this with debugging information, or like we put errors inside, so when we run the app we can see something. But I mean, look at this. Look at the dependencies. Look at the dependency. Okay, so let's see for the this file, the init, the initialization something. Wait, where's that script? Okay, so let's see. Okay, not much. Okay, not much. Okay, not much. Okay, so these are git hooks. So this, wait, the text format. What? The text format? The text format. Okay. Okay, so even if I'm using my editor, Vim, and then I search, I use telescope here or RG to find piso, we still don't get anything. But for PHP, yeah. Okay, maybe it's using a, oh wow, maybe it's using a library that I'm not aware of. So let's see. Where are the dependencies for this one? Package JSON. See? A very simple change. We just want to change one letter, and yet we have to go through this gem file. Gem, it's for Ruby, right? So it's using Fastlane. So I think it's in Gradle. Probably Gradle. 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 Properties. Gradle. Nah, not this one. Okay. Uh, does this have submodules? There's no submodule as well, so we can check the submodule config. Let's open the, let's see, Google services. Probably. Probably. Nope. Firebase. Firebase URL. Maybe it's from Firebase. 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 There you go. No, uh this is for analytics. Like, okay, so ads for analytics. Yeah, for analytics. Yeah. Okay, so not much. So we're kind of like in a dead end. Okay, so let's go with the initial. I should probably increase the font for this one. Okay, so we should probably go for the, maybe it's from a third party source, HTTP. Let's check for HTTP. Okay, so maybe it's in YarnLock, right? So maybe it's in YarnLock. Okay, so let's check the yarn first. Then let's grab for currency something, nothing. So money, nothing. So if we search for HTTPS here, you can see we get results. So okay, most developers will do something like this. Most developers will do something like this. Will do something like this. Wait, let me just open my file manager. Okay, there we go. So most developers will find the file like, oh, we want yarn lock, and then they will wait. Then they will do open with and then run their favorite tool. Wait, I don't have any uh okay, so I don't have any visual code here. I thought I do. Okay, let's just open code. Visual Studio Code. Most will just open Visual Studio Code. You can see it's opening. It took a very long time, so let's close this one. You know why I have Visual Studio Code installed here? Just for formatting JSON. Yeah, that's the only purpose. For formatting JSON. And look, it auto updates. Didn't even ask for my approval. Okay, so and then what most developer will do is I don't know how to navigate this this editor. Add folder to workspace. I think workspace, yeah. So let's go for this one, for this one, for this one, and then let's search for IB wallet. And then let's add this one. Yes, I do trust the authors of the files of this folder because it's in my system. Yes, thank you for being concerned. Ridiculously useless concern. Okay, so what most developer will do will open, as you can see, it took us very long time. We open yarnlock and then they will do control F here and then they will, how do you find, how, wait, how do you, okay, there you go. So what, currency, trans, okay, so there's nothing. And then they will, look, I can't even find, okay, look at this scrolling, look at this scrolling. Look at this slow scrolling. Look at this. Whoa, this is ridiculous. It's running on a very high-end laptop and it does this very painful scrolling. Anyway, let's close that. Okay, so let's grab for this one and it didn't close yet. It wants to update itself. Wow. You know what? I don't need to format any more JSON. So let's just Visual Studio Code. Let's uninstall that. Wow. Where? What? What? Where's the uninstaller? Where's the uninstaller? Whoa. Now how do I remove that? Never mind. See what Microsoft does? They do this all the time. They do this every single time. Okay. So let's open your log and see. See how smooth this scrolling is? See how smooth? Oh, that's what I, okay. So, what are we looking for? Let's get back to the topic. I'm always distracted. Okay, so probably it's a package, but I'm confused. Where do they use Node in this project? You know what? Let's just open this file. Let's just, so there's no currency, there's no money, there's no USD. There's nothing. So it's probably, so they're not probably actually using this because this is for node modules. This is for node, and perhaps they're just using this as a dev tool or something for their for local development. But for the actual app itself, these are not used. Casey, we have Lodash here. I hate Lodash. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Why why do you need why do you need to install? Why? What? Look at this. Why do you need to install another dependency just to check for is number? What? Yes. The Node ecosystem, the JavaScript, the front end ecosystem really confuses me. Why? Why? Okay, let's see the GitHub profile for this one. Okay, so not this one. So we're really sidetracked, but anyway. So the repositories here. You know what's the worst package there is? Is even. Is even. Look, return true if the given number is even. And a lot of developers use this silly package. Like they just don't know how to use modulo operator to check if a number is even. It's like it's just a simple JavaScript. Uh, check even code. It's like you just need to Google and then this is look. Instead of just doing modulo 2, the top answer in Stack Overflow recommends or use this as an example to create a function called isAdd that just does this. How is this? How is this? How is this the top answer? And you have one for is-even. Look, you use if else instead of just returning. And here, look. This one is like uh a little bit black magic if you know bitwise or you know bit operations. It uses the AND operator and a ternary operator. Anyway, so I would, if I just want to be pizzazz, I will just use this instead of this. But anyway, uh, okay, so let imagine you have to download, you have to bundle, you have to include all these files if you use this package just to use this. You can just copy paste this. This is the whole function. This is it. Wow. These are edge case handling, but eh, the amount the amount of headaches this gives me. Oh, okay. Anyway, let's really sidetrack. So Where are the dependencies that this project uses? I really hate front end. I really hate JS. You see the mental, like the mental gymnastics that you have to go through just to put HTML elements in a screen is enough for a day. And then you have to see these packages. Okay, so it's not here. Okay, so it's not here. Okay, so let's cross this one out. So let's just grep again, but we want to skip the unlock. So how do we do that? I think we exclude file yarn.lock. Okay, no. So unrecognized option exclude file. So let's check grep. Uh exclude from. Okay, so that should be exclude from. Exclude from. Okay. No, it's still here. Why is that? I think. Okay, so we need this R, but uh exclude. Okay, there you go. So exclude from is not the correct one. So here we can see we have a lot of links. So probably okay, but less than including the yarn file. Okay, then never mind. Let's also exclude the markdown. Wait, should we exclude the markdown files? Okay, money manager praise steps. Okay, Zamzar converter documents to CSV. No. Open your eye. No. Wait. Export transact. No. Okay. This is for importing CSV. So we don't need this. Okay. So code of conduct. No. Okay. The README. Let's exclude. How do we exclude multiple files? Like readme.md. Okay. So that doesn't work. So perhaps yarn lock. Uh, how do we exclude multiple files in grep? So let's check. Uh, exclude file. So we have count. Exclude. Okay, so this is that match glob. Okay, so this is a glob matching. So what we can do is like give it something like yarn.lock and something like readme.md. Nope. I think this is how you do. Okay, that is how you do globbing in ZHS. Okay, so we eliminated those, and we should also exclude license. Okay, so you see how useful it is to know some basic Linux uh tools. It just makes life easy, very easy. No need to open a GUI tool or something. Okay, so we have Apache. So this is for here you go. Stick exchange rates. So this is probably what we're looking for. So let's copy. copy this and let's try opening this. Okay. Okay, so we're getting closer. We're getting close, but we have PHP here, right? But this is the like the foreign exchange. So that's not what we want. But at least we know that it's possible that it's a third party source. Okay, how about this one? Currency API test currency. But this is in the sync exchange rates activity, I assume. So we're not okay, so constants. Okay, this is good, constants, but those are not constants. So okay, so these are not what we're looking for. Let exclude git. Okay, so for git, we do something like this, and no, I don't know how to. Okay, so because that matches, let's try git. Actually, never mind. Let's just skip that. So we have resources books. Yeah, we don't want that. Oh, baseline. Okay, you know what? You know what would be easy if we run the. I don't want to open the Android emulator. Okay, let's do this Android. Uh, I thought of opening the app and just looking at the screen where we see the Philippine peso and then search for the strings, the other strings present in that screen as well. So maybe we can like narrow the scope down, but let's do this the hard way. I don't want to open another emulator and uh watch some ads. Detect Katie. So probably not this, probably not this. Okay, so HTTPS. Okay, so okay, we're almost done and we haven't seen the hmm. Okay, so there's still no we st- we can find any lead. Code of conduct, IV view. So most of these links are not what we're looking for. Huh. Okay, so what if it's not an HTTPS? What if it's just an HTTP request? Wow. Yeah, of course, because XML. So, this is why I don't like being an Android dev. Look at this. Look at the XML file. Okay, at least we can easily see that the one we're looking for is not here. So let's grab for the HTTPS yet again. Uh-huh. And you can't find anything useful. See, the only thing that's very close to what we're looking for is this one. Is this one. Okay, so this one. So the sync. Let's try opening this one and let's see for our result what that looks like. So as you can see, I don't have any syntax highlight for Kotlin. Anyway, so So private URLs. Okay. So JS deliver. So let's check this one. Let's check this one. Let's check this one. So maybe the answer is in the free currency exchange rates. So this is not. Wow. Wow, this repository keep. Wow. Now this is serious dedication. Probably it's automated. It's probably automated, okay? Was guided. Friendly password. No rate limits, okay? Including common cryptocurrencies. Yup. Daily updated, okay? Okay. So, oh wait, currencies. All the okay, so maybe this is what we're looking for. There you go. If we can see, wait. Let's do this the dramatic way. So let's imagine we're just going to curl that, then out currencies.json, and then let's cut the okay. I thought the piso, and then the file. Boom, nothing. Okay, so I was hoping it would be the answer. So piso. Okay, so I mistaken. Okay, so P. What? It's Philippine peso here. So this one is correct. So this mean or that means that IB wallet is not using this. Like you already have this. Maybe the minified JSON. Let's try once more. Let's just call it squaremean.json. What's the difference between the JSON, the minified JSON? The minified JSON strips all the white spaces, so it makes the JSON file, the minified JSON file uh smaller. Okay, so let's see the a for the okay. So look at this. So the minified JSON just saved around 3 kilobytes. Okay, just 3 kilobytes. So we should assume that that the content is still the same because that's just minified. Okay, so we have you can see the grep found the match, but it prints all the whole file because it's in a single line. It's in a single line. So that's how this is one of the issues with front end and the modern front end world. Developers have to minify, have to save 3 kilobytes just to make their framework fast or loading of a single page application a little bit faster. So this is just nuts. Our internet speed is around 30 plus megabytes. So transferring data with additional 3 kilobytes will just take a millisecond. And yet we do that. We do that saving to make it a little bit faster because, hey, we think the issue is with the file size, but not the code itself or the framework itself. Anyway, so we are not using those. Okay, I saw this. Maybe this is the one we're using. Okay, so maybe this one, the Europe. Okay, so let's copy that. Let's paste that here. Okay, I forgot that WSL terminal doesn't like to So let's just select that, and then I know I'm using the mouse to copy. This is nuts, but it's the limitation of the WSL terminal, or perhaps something with my setup. So anyway, so let's check this. Okay, so that is smaller. No, that's bigger. Okay, so let's uh wrap with this. So for the nothing, so still nothing. Let's try pill. Okay, so maybe I'm using grep command wrong. So maybe you're the, oh no, no. You should just do grep by P. Okay, so nothing as well. What's the content? Okay, so we should do something like, there you go, nothing yet. It's the, okay, no, it's the foreign exchange something. Okay, so that was fun. Okay, so what about this one, the raw one? Uh, this is going to be the same as this one, so we should probably skip that. So okay, so let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so you are okay, so it fetches and then not empty break. Okay, so they have this list of URLs. So this contains the list of URLs, and then it will go one by one, and if the first URL returns blank or returns nothing or no data at all, then it will proceed to the next one. So it's not requesting from all. Okay, so we have this another check. So if we from all four URLs, if we got nothing, then we just skip this one. Okay, so okay, fetches ERH. Okay, so it's like I'm looking at Java code, but a cleaner and a nicer Java code. Okay, so uh, my reflex of vomiting when I see Java is not triggering, so that's good. Okay, so the one we're looking for is still not here. So that's weird. We still can't find the. Let's check for other links. Let's check for other links. Money. Maybe this one. No, no, no. This is for importing data. So we should. It's probably not there. View pager. Wait. This is a gist. Let's check this. Maybe this one has the answer. Nope. Okay, so wait. What's this? Oh, it's for paging. Okay, never mind. Okay, so it means that the developer of Ivy Wallet used that GitHub gist. Okay, and they of course credited via link, so that's good. Okay, so what else? What else? So we're already past this one, right? So if we're going to check for the constants file, For sure it's not here. For sure it's not here. So these are constants in the app domain itself. So probably not what we're looking for. Free loans, free budgets. I wonder where we can find this. See how fast it is to grab the whole project for this word. And I just click a mapping. See how fast is that? Compare that to your VS Code. Okay. We still can't find it. Wow, we just want to change one character. We just want to change a single character. Why are you not letting us do that? All right. Okay, let's okay. Just to make sure that maybe you're questioning. Maybe the tool is broken. Maybe I'm grabbing wrongly. Okay, if we use GitHub search for this as well, piso, we're not going to get anything. Okay, there's no result. So let's Philippine. There's nothing. Okay, so maybe you're saying, hey, maybe it's case sensitive. Okay, let's try piso. Nothing. How about PHP? Probably some results. Okay, wait. Hmm. Add image receipts. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's a duplicate. Oh, you can wait. You can upload images in the app. I haven't seen that. That's cool. You can take pictures of the receipts. That's cool. That's cool. The more reason I want to correct the the currency typo. Okay, so it's clear that the Linux tools I'm using are problematic because they've been around for like 50 years or so. So yeah, so there's no issue with that. Okay, so it's hmm. Okay. Where was I? Okay, we're going to check for the issues if we have anything close to what we're trying to do. So, like fix type or something. Uh, okay, so maybe not. So, let's try currency. B to create a car mode. Okay, so fix issue. This is okay. So why are they naming their PRs with just fix issue? Multi-currency support. Maybe. Okay, multiple currencies within a while. Maybe, 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 maybe sub-currency. Maybe we're getting close. Mix of different countries. Maybe. Okay, let's check for this one first. Let's check the file changed. No, not that one. Okay, not this one as well. Not mix up the okay, let's check. Please add IRT. Okay, so IRT currency, adding currency, let's nothing. Okay, why is this closed? Where's the commit? Wait, completed this 2 weeks ago. There's no, please add. Oh, let's see. Git log. Pretty. Okay, this is for no. Let's just log all of it. No? Okay, never mind. Uh, Wait, what are these? These are closed issues, but no information. Wait, do we need to log in? No, I don't think so. Edit currency conversion. No, this is not. Custom currencies. This is why. Why is there no information? Oh, I see. Labels. Currency can reproduce. No, 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 no. Optimization improves performance. I'm curious. Okay, closed. Immutable. Okay, okay. So this is good. Okay, optimize on-screen performance by replacing the fancy animation with simple scrolling. Look at this. Improving performance by going back from fancy to simple. This is cool. Oh, okay. So this is how they manage. Uh, I am on it. Okay, I am on it. It's a very proactive dev. He or she is a very proactive developer. But where's the so there's no like pull request. It's like they just okay, here goes smoother animation. It's like they just okay, there here is the okay, okay, so instead of using okay, so what's the patch here? Okay, so alpha. Wait, wait, what? Wait, you can do this in Kotlin? Wait, is this like uh is this variable shadowing or is this named function name argument? Now I'm confused. Now I'm curious, I mean. Okay, this is not what we're looking for. Anyway, currency something like this should give us a better result. Okay, so nothing. On the go currency change. This okay, we have another add currency. So let's see where okay, finally. Fine. Finally. Wait, what? Huh. Huh. Main. Java. Com. Ivy. Wallet. Domain. There's no domain. There's no domain. What? Huh. This was merged last year, so probably this is already moved into a different file. So let's search for this file. Okay, so we have a lot of recurrency going on here. So, okay, so what is this? The tech, the tech KP from code. Wait, this is okay. So we have this one. We have Wait, is this not the one we're looking for? Okay, it's not in the app namespace. Okay, here you go. PHP. Oh, wait, don't tell me these are okay. These are cryptocurrencies. My bad. These are cryptocurrency. Why do you have to expose me with cryptocurrency? Okay, probably that's not what we're looking for. I'm on formatting. Hey, hey, here, currency picker. Finally, finally, currency picker. So I be look at these imports. Okay, so from 62. Okay, so around 60-ish. Okay, here we go. So initial selected and I prefer pre-selected currency. Okay, so get default. Okay, okay. So screen start and then keyboard show. That means what is this? Buy animate DP state. What is that? Okay, so we have the column here and then buy what? Wait, I'm confused. What's that? Kotlin var by. So we need to close this because we don't need this anymore. Okay, Kotlin. Okay, so what does by keyword do in Kotlin? Okay, so this is this is the first time I've seen this like semantics in a language. I've tried a lot of languages. I have knowledge with a lot, a very high number of programming languages. But this is like the first time I'm seeing this by as provided by is something that has a getter get and var is something that has a getter and get set. Okay, makes sense. Very C sharp .NET thing for each var property. There is a default provider of get select. Oh, okay. But when using a by keyword, oh, okay, okay, okay. So that makes sense. Okay, so basically, this variable, the search text field value, has a implicit getter and setter. Like in C sharp, that would be something like get set like that. So you can do equals to search, or you can do search is equals to something. So this will both of these will trigger the getter and the setter. Okay. So but for Kotlin, you can have a by, which means there's a provider, like there's a something like dependency injection or something sort of like the Go and REST interfaces, I believe. So like the getter and setter of this variable is provided. I don't know. Okay, so remember it's probably a keyword as well. It is provided by this, the mutable state of text field value. Okay, so this is like the set hook or something from React. What is that stupid name? React. I don't know. I don't know what you call that stupid thing in React. But if you modify a value, it triggers that function or something. A hook something. Okay, so search text field currency list. Here you go, currency list. Okay, so probably currency list is what we're looking for. So this is a composable. Okay. Okay, so currencies, IB currency get available. Now we have to find this get available. Okay, here you go. So get available currency return. See, this is why programmers need to be good at reading the source code. Reading code instead of watching, instead of listening, instead of Googling, instead of and other whatnot. You have to be good at reading the documentation, reading the source code itself. So that is like the last resort. If you really can find any resource online, you have to know how to understand the source code itself, the code base itself. Okay. So yeah. So we resorted resorted to this one just to change a single character. Okay, so even though I don't know Kotlin, I can vaguely understand what the code does. So I'm not a Kotlin programmer, I have no experience with that, but since as a programmer, I know the basic, the foundation, the fundamentals like that. So it's very easy to adapt with something like this. So it's not about memorizing the language itself. It's not about memorizing the syntax or being an expert in a syntax or in a language. It's about the whole programming concept. So even though we have this new syntax like here, like the by, it's not that that should not be a big deal. Okay, so we have the function. They use fun. Okay, so they should have used func or something, and then get available as a function name. So this is the return that list of IB currency. Okay, so this is a data structure, and this is a struct or a class. Okay, so function body returns the get available currencies, and then we map that. Okay, so get available currencies. So that's map. So it creates this IB currency struct, passing the iter. Okay, this one is good. This one is good for Kotlin. Uh I upload Kotlin for this. They have this implicit IT, this it. This means this is the it operator, the it operator. This is the iterator object or the iterator value. So when we're doing a for loop, most of the times we do for I or idx, and then equals to 1 or something, and then in range something. So this is just pseudocode, okay? So most of the time we do that, and then we do something like data structure, then we access the IDX and something like that. Uh so Kotlin and Jai as well, the language I'm looking forward to using once it's public, has this implicit it or iterator. So this is good. This is very good. Okay, uh so that means every data that the get available currencies will return is not a cryptocurrency because we have this plus crypto. Okay, so where is that crypto? So okay, so crypto is from this one. Okay, so let's check where we can see. Hmm, hmm, get instance. Okay, get default fiat. Huh. So this is a lambda function. You can see. This perhaps this is an inline function because we have the function signature, the return type, and then we have the equal instead of the curly braces. Maybe this is a lambda or an inline function, or maybe this it has no parameter. Maybe this is a expression, but probably not. So I have currency get instance. Okay, so get instance use the 8. So where is that? It does not return it. So how do you, okay, so let's check for currency. Okay, so we have a lot. So perhaps, okay, it's not named class. Currency struct. Okay, so let's check for Kotlin create class. So because probably currency is a class. Class is Kotlin. Okay, so let's read first let's check first always the documentation. Okay, so it is a class. So currency is not a class. So maybe it's a struct. If I have a choice, if I will be forced to use or program in Java, I would really, really, really suggest going for Kotlin. So mapping struct. Okay, so there's no actual struct. So this is a C code, right? So for C library, yeah, we have that. Okay, so it's not a class. Currency is not a class. Class currency. Yeah. So what is this? Okay, so okay. Oh wait, wow. So maybe what if this is what if the piece of problem is with the Android currency library itself? What if? Uh-huh. Oh yeah, it has this get available currencies. Oh wait, don't tell me we can't make any patch. We can't make any patch with this one. Get available currencies. The set of available currencies returns. Okay, but where is that? Android. Wait, is it is Android closed source? Okay, let's check for Android. No, no, no. Okay, so what if Android is? I'm not sure if it's open source, so probably it's not. It's not open source. Oh wait, it's open Android. Yeah. The Android itself is not open source, so that means we can't look at the implementation of get available currencies, but wow, they won't let us change a single patch. A single patch. So this a readme. Okay, what is this? What is this? Some Chinese thing I don't understand. Maybe in Lineage OS. Okay, yeah. Let's search for Android source code. Maybe this one. Get source. Uh, for downloading? No. Let's just search for this. Okay, so go to code. Okay, so this is the whole. Wow. Wait, so 100 code source. Did this thing just load almost instantly? Look, almost instantly. Boom. Uh-huh. Okay. So probably a lot of it is cached or in hot code. But how do we do find? How do we do find? Okay, there we go. Get available currencies. Currency Java. This one. This is what we're looking for. This is why I don't like OOP. Look at this. This is very. You have to navigate through a lot of hoops before you get to. Eh, never mind. Okay, so we create a new hash set and then the currency. is from currency filter, currency method. Okay, nothing. How is it even possible? How is it even possible that we can't find anything? Can't find any reference. Okay, so where is this from? Okay, so these are singletons. These are singletons because we have the get instance. That means it's only loaded once, and then it returns the static reference to that object. Okay, but where the info? Okay, so but where is that? Okay, so this is the currency. Yeah. Okay, so get available currencies. So we have this, but this does not return anything that we want. So properties test. Okay, so we have testing. We have a testing file. We have testing. Wow. Okay, so never mind the testing file. Okay, so current, this is for testing. Okay, so this one does not do anything. So this one, okay, so we're not really going anywhere with this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Get available currencies. Right. Yes. Uh, okay, even in the example, we see that they just use the get available currencies, right? Yeah, so the problem, the Philippine peso itself is the it's inside the issue, or it's inside the Android itself. Okay, so time zone, time unit. So there's not much. I see you. So Japanese code. Wait, maybe it's in the local data. Maybe we have here something like so deprecated. So maybe we have here something like a currency or something. No, date rule currency. So it's not currency service shim. I don't know what that means. Wait, currency. So maybe this one. Okay, so I'm really lost. I did not expect this intention to just change a single character to be this hard. Okay, where is this one? I see your resource bond. Okay, so not here. Where is that? Wow. Hmm. Okay, so we're not going anywhere with this. Hmm. Okay, so let's take a step back and let's check for something that I just Android. Let's try googling. Where is currency? Where are currencies? Okay, so they use this local something, right? So yeah, so measure unit currency string. And we have the ISO code. So this is protected. Now this is okay. So can't find anything here. But I'm pretty sure they have to be set somewhere. They have to be set somewhere. Maybe let's just search here, okay? So maybe we can there wait. No. Probably not this one. Uh currency unit. Oops, don't get my hopes. Yeah, I did not get my hopes up. Okay, so this is currency unit. But where are they defined? They should be defined somewhere. Let's try searching for PHP. Let's try searching. This way I don't like PHP as Philippine peso because it matches a lot of uh, so if we can see peso here, API sound, episode. Look at this. Okay, so NFC integration fuzzer, piso, piso. Mm, okay, so let's search for every instances. Okay, wait, what? Oh, it's for testing. Okay, we're we have we're matching episode. There you go. Here you go. Finally, finally, we found it. Can we do something like advanced searching here? Like can we do something like yeah, we have case sensitive and then we want something like we want something like word matching. So we okay, so not so probably okay, so maybe symbol. Maybe symbol. Finally, maybe symbol. No. Oh wait, where's that? Okay, so finally, so let's store this somewhere. Let's store this link somewhere. Somewhere, right? I should put this in a comment. Finally. Okay, so Android itself has the problem. Why do I have automatic? Found the issue. Google itself, the Android source itself, use Philippine peso. So how can we make, how can we contribute? I don't see. Let's check the Git blame. Yeah, told you it has to be defined somewhere. So it's in a text file. So the text file is processed line per line. And then yeah, there we go. So where's the piso again? So we have the piso here. And then okay, so how can we do something? Let's let's check for let's check for what this ISO means. ISO. So binary. Okay, so this is the standard. Okay, we have peso here. Here, look, Philippine peso. So according to the ISO itself, it should be peso, but the guys at Google decided or mistaken it to be peso. Oh no, we have to, I believe we have to buy ISO for the whole documentation. Yeah. So we don't want to do that. Okay, but Wikipedia says it's peso, so we have to follow that, right? So how can we contribute? How can we contribute? See, you have Mexican peso, you have peso here, and then but for some weird reason, when you go to the Philippines, you say, hey, it should be Philippine peso. So 201. This is just weird. Is a link? Wait, can whoa, 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 we can edit the file? Okay, so where's that? Hey, where's that? Input a file or change. No, I don't think this is going to do what. Okay, so not the file, but this one. Okay, so okay, so uh copy this one and then just remove the extra stuff. So we got, okay, so we still can't. Okay, so let's try that again. So we have this, and then we want to say edit code. But this does nothing. So let's do git source editor. Please log into edit file. Oh, you're expecting us to be like part of the Android team for this to work. Yeah. Yeah. So we need to log in. How to contribute to Android source? We we took down to this level, contributing. Okay, so let's see. Those of you, hmm. So, what they mean? So what this documentation means is that we just have to report a bug. Okay, let's join this discussion group and view the member groups. Okay, so there's no official group for us to say that open source under platform, under reporting, under contributing. Okay, so the kernel, I wrote down. Nah. So let's just report a bug. So search for your bug. Okay, where are we going to browse for the correct component framework? Bug queues. So browser bugs. So issue tracker here. So let's search for wait, how can we search like uh currency? Let's try that one. I don't know what this means, but okay, so currency. So probably not. Okay, peso. Bob. Wrong address. So let's see what Bob has to say. Framer peso. Wait a minute. Okay, so how do we okay, so for now let's just sign in. Okay, so it needs my Google account. Probably and probably don't worry, you guys won't see this. You guys won't see any of the password. Okay, so we have to do something. Okay, my hands are sweaty that I can't access the fingerprint scanner. So yes, it's me, and then yeah. Okay, not now. Okay, acknowledge, and then let's create an issue. So what is the wait? What's the component? The component is something like okay, so libcore text, probably text, right? Probably text, probably text, probably text. Okay, but English is okay. Won't let me text. So this is probably what we want. Okay, so let's close this for wait, no. Okay, so developer tools and then the documentation. Okay, so we don't know what component this for. So main branch and then okay, so it's external. Okay, so it's external supply changes. So probably system uh libcore, probably not libcore. So Yeah, let's just go for text. So okay, there you go. So we have, maybe we can search for currency here. Okay, nothing. So let's just say ISO or external. Okay, so let's look again for other things. So text has a type. So let's say, so what is the component for this one? What is the component for this one? Where is the component for this one? What? Ano public power. So this is the copy issue ID. So this is the view component settings. Okay. So how can we browse all the components? See all components. Okay. So Gerrit code reviews public trackers. Android public trackers. So probably here and then, okay, so framework. No, we don't know what this thing is supposed to be under of public trackers, so probably text. Oh, okay, so let's just search for currency. Let's check if, okay, so number format is different. Okay, so okay, probably this one. So what's the cloud platform? Nah, no. Currency converter. So issue spelling currency with cents in euros. Okay, so this is very related. So what's the? It's still cloud text to speech. We don't want that. Okay, so Croatia currency change. Okay, there you go. So this is good. This is good, but there's no component. It's just Android public issue tracker. Okay, so Android. Okay, Android public tracker. There you go. Title wrong. Current currency name for Philippine for Philippines. Please read. Okay, so this is what I don't do. Description. Okay, so we don't uh in this one in let's copy this one in how do let's go for markup in this source in the source code the currency name for the Philippines is peace uh peaceful well peaceful ISO 4 ISO nakita ko ISO 427 list the correct one is the correct one should be the correct one is peso stated. So can we click some? Okay, we don't want to link Wikipedia. We don't want to link Wikipedia. 4217. We don't want to link Wikipedia. Okay. Where can we find the official Wiki one? Okay. Let's try this one. This one looks better. Okay. and then it turns out it's really piso, right? So if that happens, where's the Philippines? Okay, so even here we get Philippine peso. Okay, so even here we get Philippine peso. Peso. See references. Uh, wiki wiki one. And what else? Where else can we find? Okay, let's check out that go. Let's see MasterCard if they will display the official. Okay, so this one documents Philippine peso as well. So we can link to that. So check out. We can link to that. And finally, MasterCard should give us the correct one. Nice one. So we are doing this the very correct way. So MasterCard. Yeah. Okay. So I think we're done now. I was hoping we will be the one to contribute to Ivy Wallet or to the whole Android something, but I guess let's just develop a bug report. And not even able, or maybe, technically, great. Okay, yeah, share my email. I don't care. Okay, finally. Finally, if you guys want to see the tracker, here it is. If we made okay, so it's I should add this as a in the description. Okay, wow. It took us around 2 hours just to make a patch. We didn't actually do the patch, but anyway. So I was hoping we will be the one to patch it, but anyway, so uh, the issue. So I'll just update the Facebook link. So the Facebook description, the but okay, so where's that again? Wow, I didn't expect to actually submit or file a bug to Git to Android, but anyway. See what happened to the description. And Facebook is really something. All right, so we already submitted. So we have an issue submitted right now. So now I don't know what to do. I was really hoping to contribute to this application. We went the trouble of we went the trouble of downloading and installing the APK, getting Android 9 for our emulator, and then scouring through the whole source code only to find out that the issue lies with the uh, the the data the data set in the Android operating system itself. So anyway, let's just take a short break and probably I'll proceed with a little lead code challenge. Okay, I'll just play a single chess game. Okay, let's play a single. Wait, am I logged in? No. Okay, so let's just play a single 5 plus 3. Okay, so Zen mode works here. Oh wait, I forgot my King's Gambit. Okay, Evans Gambit it is. Declined. Okay. Now I don't know. I don't know how to proceed with the declined Gambit. I have not yet got to this point. I always get the Evans Gambit accepted variation. What a bummer. I was hoping we will see Evans Gambit accepted. But anyway, it is what it is. So, So probably, I see. So he went with that. So let's take that. Okay, so we probably want to go. We don't want probably him to defend this. To defend this. Let's just go here. He can't kick this knight away. So okay, so that one. So he opened that up, and now let's. Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, let's just go here. So he's planning to go here, which is bad for us. So if he goes here, we can do. Uh, let's just save this. Let's just save our bishop. I see. Uh, that's bad. I was hoping to save the bishop. Hmm, I should have just targeted this pawn. That's my error. Anyway, let's just take that out. So our king is exposed, but we can go here since it doesn't have the light squared bishop anymore. Okay, so maybe we can still let's just go for the attack. And let's just go somewhere here. Okay, so I was wrong yet again. Let's just attack the bishop. I attack the rook. I mean, yeah. Okay, so the rook is still trapped. So we'll probably win this with a grind, with an end game grind, probably. Okay, so I sacrificed the rook for a knight. So okay, so now we should just attack this e pawn because that is the weak pawn. We can double up on this one. Let's just double and then up so we can defend this pawn. And then let's go here. Oh, look at that. Wait, look at this. The arrow adjusts. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, it's amazing. It's a very subtle thing. What's taking you so long? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Move. Okay, so Godot will probably had a lot of users. So that means there will be a lot of beginners moving from their template 3D-esque horror Unity game to Godot, and will probably have a lot of user traffic in their Discord channel asking for questions, which is a good thing, but will also be a kind of like a difficult, like a task for the maintainers. Okay, I think he resigned quietly. And it's taking so long. Come on, come on, come on. Wait, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, yeah, okay. Wow, just resign. You're wasting both of our times. Okay, anyway. Anyway, let's proceed with a little bit of lit code. Okay, so it's just running out his time. So for now, I'll just do a little bit of lit code. But for this one, we're just going to tackle problems, basic questions for now, or easy questions. I'll up, I have to update the title of the stream or something. Contributing to open source plus programming plus programming plus programming something like that. Okay, so claim victory probably. Uh, I'm not plugged, so doesn't have any rating. Okay, so um, things. So for now, let's just go for easy because I just want this to be fast. So climbing stairs, move duplicates from sorted list, merge sorted array. I thought I already finished symmetric view. So for this fat sum, Pascal's triangle, best time, valid power. What attempted? Oh, I attempted this. I don't know when. Probably when I was in mobile. Upgrade to dynamic layout. Nah. Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's too low, too low. Wait, what? Really? Wait, I've been using LeetCode for this browser just yesterday. Okay, there you go. So weird. Okay, so let's go for Python and let's see what's the so S is empty. Okay, so let's first uh if not S after stripping it, that means we remove all spaces, return true. But what if the element contains anyway, raise a car. Raise, okay, so it doesn't have a E. So if after converting all uppercase into lower cases and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, non-alphanumeric characters, it's the same. Okay, so first we have to handle that. So S will become C for C in S. So we're going to loop and then we're going to say if C uh is alpha, so we're only going to include alpha. Wait, it says so we can have a number, right? So it's alpha num, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so it's alpha num, and then we will do while left and right pointers. So left pointer will be L, and then right pointer will be the length of S minus 1. So we're going to while the left pointer is less than the right pointer, but if we only have one character like S, so that's going to be out of bounds. So while yeah, let's try less than, yeah. For two pointers, I believe we have to left less than or equals to right pointer, and then the A will be S L, and then B will be S, right? So I'm just being very verbose here. So if A is not equal to B, that means we failed the palindrome test, so we return false. So after that, we just return true. Okay, no, wait. It's going to run forever. Is alnam. Okay, I was is alnam. Okay, so Python team, you're being very inconsistent with that naming. Okay, so how do you? Okay, there you go. So we need to increase the the left pointer and then the right pointer decrease by 1. So will not trigger any infinite loop. And so let's just run this. So it passes the 3 cases. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that if we submit this, it's going to fail for something. Whoa, it worked. Okay, so at memory it bits 8.7, users with Python 3. That means, wait, this comes, okay, so, okay, why we have this big memory even though we only like did this once? Because uh this should be in place. Like this is fast, but this is like creating a new one and then assigning it to the variable, but the old one is still in the memory. So I guess I believe this is for the in place, like does not support item assignment. Okay, never mind. So how do you do in place string? Wait, string in Python is static. That means even if we modify the string itself. It's not actually modifying in place, but actually it's creating another one. So yeah, so I think we can live with this. We can live with this memory, but the Python is only 15 milliseconds runtime. I guess because it it goes from one to the last. Okay, another thing we can check here. So if the string is very long, so if the string is odd, like odd in length, is it a palindrome or not? So probably not, right? Because in the test cases, let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So that's a palindrome because, okay, so we're going to just palindrome check right now. So we're not sure with the specs of the, okay, so let's say this one is a palindrome, right? Because it has odd numbers of digit. So that's true. But if we, like in the middle, like one, two, man, please, man, where's the middle one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Hey, where'd that go? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. So if we remove this one, it's still a palindrome. Look at that. It's still a palindrome. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so my my intuition was incorrect. It's incorrect. So it doesn't matter if it's an even or odd number of characters. Okay, so how can we speed this up? How can we speed this up? Maybe instead of creating, yeah, maybe this is the issue. Like we're creating temporary variables to hold the values. So if we submit this, maybe we will see an improvement. Okay, so typo. Okay, so okay, so our okay, so our runtime increased and our memory usage got a little lower. So yeah, so not using extra variable will help. Okay. Now I know the I don't know. Oh wait, no. For C, I can do this in a while loop. Like nobody, just a while, just the expression in the while loop. But for Python, that I don't know. Anyway, so we can't. So maybe we can remove this. Maybe it will be faster if we remove this. It's an empty string. So if it is an empty string. Okay, so let's try removing that and see if it will pass the test case number 3. Yeah, so it passed. So let's try again. Okay, so it got a little bit slower because we removed one important. So maybe in one of the test case, the whole string is just all white spaces. So it went through this, so that's why the runtime went low. Okay, anyway, let's proceed with, so let's see this single number given a non-empty array of integers. Okay, nums, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. Linear type of, and we'll only use one constant extra space. So here's a one. for this one, we can use a set, right? So like the found, we can use a set. And then for I, for n in range, uh, let's see, we want to find that one that is unique. Okay, so for range, oh no, for nums, okay. So if n is, so actually that's not, we do this the other way around, like find the duplicate, that will be easy. But since we're going to find for the unique, you can use a dictionary with a counter, right? So the easiest way will be like this, and then if n not in found, we do found n 0, and then found n plus equals to 1, and then we return uh the one that is unique. So we can do, so this is not constant anymore. This is not linear runtime anymore because we did it twice. So just but just to show you, we have a b items. So this should be, if b is equals to, so return a. So if we run this, okay, so it passes the test, but it's not in linear time. Linear time means we only, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we only have to iterate once. But let's see again if we can. Okay, so it passes the test. Wait, really? Oh, I did not expect it. So another thing is, instead of a dictionary, we can use a set, right? But if we use a set, so it's basically like the same code. So, okay, so let's see the second solution. The second solution will be like the found. This will be a set. So for n in nums, we will do the answer. So we will do, so we will do, uh, let's just point this to the first element, right? So for, then we return that answer. But in the for loop, what we need to do is, if the n is in the found, then we continue. We skip that, right? That means that is not the unique value we're trying to do. Else, the answer is the n, but we add the found, add, I believe, for set like this. So if we run this, yeah, so output is 2, expected is 4. Okay, so this part is wrong, so continue. So the last found. Okay, so while we're iterating, if we already found the n, we continue. Yeah, so found n, we add the n, and then the answer to the n. So okay, so the other one is probably, yeah, I don't want to spend much time with this, so let's move on. Link this cycle. I don't wanna think about this. Wait, why are we already in the 100? Number of 1 bits. Customer who never order. Valid po. Let's see. This is like text parsing or text manipulation something. Okay. Give the text file. Uh, wait, really? Just a brush? case. Okay, so this is amazing. This is amazing because this is a bash, only bash. Okay. Okay, so we can X message. Okay, so uh cut. So because we're reading from wait, cat file text. Okay, so it doesn't say std. If it's std, we use the okay. So and then we grep. So let's see. Grep regex. So I think it's I just need the command. Okay, we can do this here. Grep help and then grep again for expression. This is what's cool with Linux or Unix tools. You can combine them. Like, can your tool do that? Like, you grep and then you use grep. Let's try another grep. Grep. Okay, so extended grep. E. Okay, so that's what we want. I don't. I'm sure with the rep. So, okay, so this is the grep. So we want for either two formats. So the only difference is like 1, 2, 3, 1. So we can do this with uh like digits. So like escape this and escape this. And then we do a digit, 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 and then we do a white space. And we do digit, 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 white space, and then wait, is that correct? Uh, reject white space. I already searched for that before, but I always keep forgetting. Okay, or always. Okay, so it's X, not W. Okay, so where are we? First, I'll just separate this because it's easier in the eye. Okay, so D, and then we want to say, oh, yeah, but we accept the dash. Okay, so it's not a, okay, so white space after, and then not a white space, but a dash. So dash, D, D, D. Or, or, or we do D, 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 dash, D, 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 dash, D, D, D. Okay, so this is, let's try this. Let's try this in our task. Okay, so let's try this, and then let's try this if this will work. So there's a better way to write this. Like, of course, there's a better way to write this. Straight. Wait, so wait, how do you do like this? Like double escape? Wait, how do you do rep regex digit? So how do you do wait, we can't use D. Oh, we have to use the Perl regex. So there you go. So it parsed that. So okay, so I think it failed. Maybe we do need to capture this and capture this, but I'm pretty sure we don't want to use the okay, so I okay, so the last one is the last one is 4 digits. Okay, so we don't want okay, there you go. So it matches this, but it does not match the the one with the, because it does not contain any much. So 3, then white space. Okay, so we forgot to remove the white space here. Okay, there you go. And for the last one, we use 3 dash. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, so this, I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this. Like, okay, so we're on. So it's decided that the number of digits for this is 3 and then 4. So it's not arbitrary. It's not like for any number. So I believe we can okay, so first let's simplify this. We can use a plus here. Okay, and close parenthesis. We can use a plus, okay, plus there to match 2 or more. Then we can remove this and then use plus instead, like so. And then for this one, but there we might get a problem with the test cases because they might include like 5 digits at the end, and our regex will still match that. Okay, so but let's try this. This can be simplified, I believe. I believe we can ask rep to like only match this character for 3 times. I'm not sure. Probably not, because regex has like state machine or state something. So anyway, there's no even run. How are we going to test this? See, it failed. Okay. So it failed for this one because the input and then the output is this one. So if we add this uh to our test. Okay, so we grab that. Yeah. Okay, so we have to consider new lines. New lines, and then what's the end line? Regex end line, end of line. How do you um okay. Okay, so and we use the caret, I believe. So for this one, I believe we use this, and then for this one we use the caret something. There you go. So we need to update our regex with this one, and there you go. Okay, so see, this is what I told you. 2 for 5 characters, so we match that. So that is the problem. So let's see if we can regex match match plus with limit. Let's try if we can. Okay, so let's see. No, 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 no. At least n, but not more. Okay, so we can do that. So at least n, but not more than. Okay, so we're not going to use plus, but we're going to use this. So for 4 times. At least n, but not more than 4 times. So yeah, so let's try this. Okay, so we still match that. So echo, so let's copy this and our test. And let's, so yeah, so we should not match that. So let's remove plus, but instead let's use 4 times, but not more than 4 times. So if we do 5 times, for some reason I think, okay, so this is not working. So 12 to 20. Oh, I think we have to wrap this in a, like that, in a group. Yeah, still nothing. What if we, what if we, okay, nothing. So, this is probably not what we're looking for. To one result per match. I think that's called, uh, what? By, let's see, quantifiers. So greedy quantifiers makes the preceding item optional, but we don't want that optional. We want fixed quantifier. Repeat the previous item exactly n times. Yeah, so that is what we want. Hey, I think we repeated it. Yeah, no. Okay, so it's still not what we want. Oh wait, I was right the whole time. I was matching the wrong. I was matching the wrong one. Okay, so 4, up to 4 only. There you no, still failed. Okay, so 3 times only. Yeah, 4 times, but not more than 4 times. Okay, so the last one should be like this. There you go. So for this one, we remove this cut test. Okay, but we're not matching anymore with the other correct ones, right? So this should be correct. They're the correct ones. I forgot. So this one should be correct. And based on this 0, 1, 2, 3, this should be correct. These are not correct. So yeah. I think this is what we need. Okay, so we can simplify all of this. Instead of using plus, we can do it like repeat for 3 times only. And then for this one, instead of using plus, we can repeat this for 3 times. Same with here, and same with here. There we go. So I don't know if it became simpler, but we're programmers. We want to do it the most robust yet complicated way. So let's see. Okay, so we failed to match this again. So we should not match this. So echo, and then cut test, then cut. Okay, so we should not be matching this. So this should only occur 3 times. Okay, no. Wait, yeah, 3 times. The first one should only be 3. Oh yeah, I forgot. We need to put a caret here, so it will start at the beginning of the line. So that's, did I explain this afterwards? Nah. Okay, there you go. So it uses it uses only 3 point. Okay, so let's try dissecting this graph. So where's my Excali? No. Uh no, what do I use for drawing? Milton. Yeah, there you go. So for Milton, there's no text in Milton. That's what I forgot. Yeah. So there's no text, so probably a sprite. Yes, I'm a disgraced pixel artist. Oh, wait. I think I have a whiteboard. Something. I forgot the title, but I'm pretty sure there's one. I forgot what's that. Yeah, that is awkward. So, I forgot. There's this simple whiteboard, online whiteboard. I forgot the name, but this is probably not it because that one is very fast. So let's see. So here is the, can you style this better? Okay, so we have this one, right? So we have this one, and so we want a brush. Okay, so we can match two things, right? Like the first format is something, dude, give me a something like this. So X, 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 and then the format is X, 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 and then X, 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 dash, X, 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 right? So this is the first format. So let's just focus. So for this format, we're going to use this one. Let's change the color, shall we? Now, where's the color? This, yeah, this one is much better. Okay. Okay, so this is the one. Okay. So, this means that we're going to match the first line, right? So it should be the first line, right? So if we have a number here, it will not match because it's possible if we have a character here, we have another character here, then it will match this, right? Because it can match, graph can match from any like character in the same line. Yeah, so we use this. This is for like the beginning of the line, so here, and then this is for the end of the line here, right? So that's okay. So this one are the parentheses, right? This one. So in grep, if you just use this parentheses, that means a capture group or something. So we need, if we want to use the literal parentheses, we need to escape. This is called escaping. So that is a, I'm not sure if it's a forward slash or backward slash, but anyway, escape. That's all we want to match with the literal parentheses. Okay. So this one, if this one is a special one because this means like a digit. So that is a number. So you can also use like this. That will match 0 up to 9, I believe. So this is much simpler. So this is a digit. So if we only use the D character, that will match the exact D. So we need to escape that. And then this is a quantifier. This is the minimum. Oh, they're both M. So max. So mean and max. So let's just name this low and high. Right? So it said, so that means that we have to match this, the previous character by this many times 3. So we got that. And so this is a white space. So we can use a space, like a literal space, but uh, we use forward slash or backward slash S to indicate white space. I think it will handle tab characters or something like that. Anyway, and I'm not sure, but we match that, and then we have this again, so same concept for 3 characters. That this is a literal dash, and then 4 times 4 here. Okay, now we are here in the, where's the eraser? Where's the eraser? Eraser. Okay, so this one is the pipe, so that means this part is separate from this part. So this is like the or, like the pattern can match this, the first one, or the second one. So now we're up to here. So this is for the other pattern, which is the X, 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 and then X, 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 like that. Okay. So this very simple. So again, we want to match this and this and this. So like the whole line should match this. So this the same, just no parentheses. So yeah. So this one and then this one, something like that. Oh, okay, so yeah, I think we're done. I'm tired. And extra duplicate emails. Okay, so let's refresh this. Let's see what if the submission uh were recorded. Let's see, yeah, bullet phone numbers and single page number. Okay, so that's it for this stream. So it's sad that we failed to contribute to any open source project, but hopefully the Android the Android one merges that upstream. That would be cool. That is you may including that in your CV or resume, contributed to Android, to open source Android, and it's just a single character change. Anyway, so that's it. Yeah, and so long. How do you stop this?